2 weeks before Christmas in 2019, an emergency room nurse at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles joined one of her colleagues, Dr. Anshul Gandhi, for a drink after work. She took the invitation as a friendly gesture and thought that building bridges between doctors and nurses was good for morale, according to a civil lawsuit she later filed against him. But instead of sharing a little holiday cheer, Gandhi drugged her at a bar, followed her home and sexually assaulted her, the lawsuit alleges. 3 other women from Cedars came forward with similar allegations about the emergency room physician, eventually leading prosecutors to charge him with felony sexual battery of 4 women, according to court documents. Some of the original criminal charges against Gandhi have been dismissed or reduced. He now faces 2 felony counts of sexual battery. He has pleaded not guilty. After Gandhi, 35, was charged, lawyers for the Medical Board of California, which regulates doctors, called him an extreme danger to the public and could have moved to suspend his license. Instead, they convinced the judge to prohibit Gandhi from practicing as a condition of his bail. The board's procedures to quickly suspend a medical license in such circumstances are too complex and expensive, they argued in one court filing. But what at first seemed like a winning tactic for the medical board now appears to have unraveled after another judge recently agreed with Gandhi's attorneys that it is the board's job, not the court's, to determine if doctors are qualified to see patients. In November, the court lifted its restrictions and Gandhi became eligible to practice as he awaits trial. Any reference to the court order and criminal case stemming from the alleged sexual abuse has been scrubbed from his profile on the board's website. His attorney said he is not currently seeing patients but is looking for work. Gandhi's case is the latest to raise serious questions about the panel's ability to bar a doctor it determines is dangerous from seeing patients and highlights significant gaps in its oversight. The scary part is that there's nothing on the medical board's website about this doctor, said Marion H. If the information isn't there, the board is failing in their job to protect patients. That's what bothers me. A Cedars-Sinai spokesperson declined to comment on pending litigation, but said Gandhi had previously provided services at the hospital as a contract physician and resigned in January 2020.